In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. One quotation is being said by Albert Einstein. It is said, it is presumed that this was said by Albert Einstein. What did he say? Or whoever said it. As a matter of fact, it matters little who said it, whether Albert Einstein or someone else. Albert Einstein was a genius, but does not mean that whatever he said or did was something excellent. It is not like that one. And whoever said it, I think it does not matter. It matters little. What does matter is what is this actually? And there is a quotation that if at all you want to live a happy life, if at all you want to live a happy life, do not tie your happiness with the people, with the objects. Rather, tie it with the accomplishment of your goals. Set goals. Do your utmost to achieve them. Set goals, practicable goals. And do your utmost, do your level best effort to achieve them. Attach your happiness with the achievement of your goals. Attach your happiness with the achievement of your goals and not with the achievements of certain people, not with the achievement of certain someone else, not that your son or daughter will become such a great human being, will do whatever you wanted them to do. Not with this one. Not with this one. Because whatever you expect from the people, whatever you desire from the people, most probably or quite probably it is not going to come. It is not going to be given to you. There are enough chances, there are enough chances that somebody will hurt you, will not come up to your expectations, will not deliver what you wanted them to deliver. So that is why it is really, really, really important. Rather, I shall say that it can turn your life around. Either it can make it your life or it can break your life. If at all you have attached your expectations from the people, if at all you are expecting too much from the people, if at all you want the people to act the way you want them to act, if you want the people to act the way you want them to act, I think that most probably you are going to stay unhappy and most probably you are going to become an anxiety ridden person. Anxiety ridden person. The other people, they have their own pressing problems and priorities. They might do what you want to do for a certain period of time, but obviously not forever. They might do what you want them to do, but for a certain period of time, not forever. Not forever. Or they can absolutely kick your ass. Never ever depend upon other people for your happiness. The formula is that never ever depend upon other people for your happiness. If you depend so much upon the other people for the sake of your happiness, you are going to stay unhappy. It is a sort of guarantee. If at all you want to stay unhappy, if at all you want to stay unhappy, then the best thing is to start attaching your expectations and your happiness with the people. That is the best formula and that is a shortcut for unhappiness and not a shortcut for the happiness. Not a shortcut for the happiness, not a direct way, not a highway to happiness at all. The right thing to become happy is that attach your happiness with your goals, with the achievement of your goals. I want to become this one, I want to become this one, I want to become this one, I want to become that one. These are your goals, and your goals should be the goals which are in your own hands. You want to walk 10 kilometers a day, you might begin from half a kilometer on a daily basis. You can gradually keep enhancing it up to the level of 10 kilometers. This is possible, this is within your own reach. You want to walk a kilometer in 10 minutes, that is something within your own hand. You can do it, you can practice it. You want to speak fluent English, you want to speak fluent Urdu, you want to learn Punjabi, you want to learn any other language. I think this is your goal. You want to develop your business, this is your goal. You want to learn any other skill, this is your goal. You want to become a very good player in a sport or the other sport, in one sport or the other sport. You want to become a very good athlete. You want to learn yoga and meditation. All of these things are goals, and all of these things lie in your own hands, because you need to, because it does not depend upon anyone else, it does not depend upon the other people. I think the moment, the day you start depending upon other people for the sake of your happiness, will be the day you have started ruining yourself. The best way to ruin yourself is that start expectations from the other people. The other people will do whatever they can to kill your happiness, not to make you happy. Do not become happy, do not become and don't feel happiness upon what other people are doing, upon what someone else is doing. Do not, if somebody is doing against what you want them to do, against what you want him to do, don't feel unhappy. If somebody is doing what you want him or her to do, don't feel happiness, because this happiness will be short lived. This happiness will be short lived. It is not forever. It is not going to be given to you on a permanent basis. There are rare people who are so lucky, or there are rare people who do succeed. There are very rare people who do succeed in getting whatever they want to get from the other people. So that is why I am suggesting, not only I, rather I think so, the people who are 100 times better than me in this line, in the line of motivational talk, even they will be found suggesting it, that do not depend upon other people for the sake of your happiness. Rather, depend upon the achievement of your goals. Depend upon your goals for the sake of your happiness. That is how you can stay happy. You can live happy forever. You can live happy. You can live a happy life. Nobody can live forever. That is how you can live a happy life. Thank you.